Hi, I'm John McLemore, the President and CEO of Masterbuilt and the author of Dadgum That's Good and Dadgum That's Good 2 cookbooks. Today we're going to show you how to properly drain your oil after you've deep fried that Thanksgiving turkey. First, you want to make sure that your oil is completely cooled, and you want to make sure that your turkey fryer has a drain valve. On the Butterball indoor turkey fryer, you'll notice the back door has an access panel that gives you proper access to your drain valve. You want to first take off your safety cap, and then you want to take your extension tube and mount it to the drain valve. Now, one of the things you want to make sure is if you do not have a drain valve on your turkey fryer, you will need a funnel. You then want to position your container, the original container that you bought the oil in, and we do recommend peanut oil, by the way, when deep frying your turkeys. You want to position the drain valve over the top, turn your drain valve on, and drain the oil back into the container. This is great because it saves you money and you can reuse that oil up to 6 to 8 times. Again, I'm John McLemore with Masterbuilt and Dadgum That's Good, and that's how you properly drain your peanut oil.